today you have the pleasure of me pointing the camera right here. So today I am playing with special effects. If you're a beginner and you are new to the world of playing with liquid latex, as am I, this ought to be fun. What I'm gonna do for most of the video is we're gonna be like right here. We'll talk. So I wanted to try out doing like a big across my chesticles, and really I'm gonna test and do like one scratch right here working with liquid latex, and I actually picked some up at parties too. So I have a little tube of liquid latex, I have some cotton balls and some everything needed to do this correctly, aka a kitchen spatula that is themed, and some chopsticks, and I have blood. Let's see how this goes. So what I'm gonna do is basically put down a bunch of liquid latex and start to spread. Okay, so I have this like oval kind of shaped thing, and now I'm taking cotton, and we're gonna start to build this upward. Make like a streak inside of here. So I'm gonna let this dry, and I don't know what it is. I have a weird comfort with working with spatulas like this. Like I grouted and tiled my bathroom with spatulas like this for some reason, because I'm crazy. But you know, work with the tools that you feel the most comfortable with. If something feels awkward in your hand, find something that's relatable and play with it. You'd be surprised. So we have like our exterior gash here. All the lighting is playing me today. Okay, so we have an exterior gash and a little bit of like stringy interior. So here's the exterior piece. The top piece is gonna have like a big old like flabby piece of skin, and then I rolled up a little piece inside. So we're gonna fill in all of it with blood. We're gonna foundation this really good, but then, you know, make sure it looks like it's this hidden, goopy, stringy deadly mess. So I'm gonna make some toast, and we're gonna let this dry. Okay, that's weird. Okay, after I coat it with loose setting powder, I'm gonna go in with some foundation and make her great again. Okay, I mean, you know, it's terrible, but it's not terrible. Just like, this is really I'm low-key proud of myself right now. Like, this is looking kind of good. So I'm gonna continue to color this in. I'm gonna turn all this extra noise off. Just so you know, I've been using this. I've been using this shade predominantly and kind of dipping into the other one right next to it, which I guess is shades 2 and 3. Just so you can really see, like, you don't have to order a lot of shit online. And I picked up a ton of these little flat shader brushes. This is one that's super old, it's a NARS brush, but the other ones I got are all like little Morphe brushes. So I'm really kind of going in, and I'm going to go in with blood drippy blood and some scab blood in a second, but I'm really filling in all the crevices, like making sure that this is defined. And oh my god, hold on, Beyonce. Okay, I found this. This is demon blood, which I'm gonna make this face because this is something you want to scare your teenager with when they come home. But it says darker than other fake blood, so I'm curious to see what this is gonna actually look like. So for this, necessary for me, this is a little palette. This one's by Cosmo Cube. On one side I have some spirit gum that I don't know why I can't get it off, but maybe it's super glue. I don't remember what I used it for. Oh, it's like purple. Okay. So we're gonna be careful with that and set that far away from us. And then I have my little sponge. It was a struggle, you know? And I'm using the dry side to kind of, because this is super liquidy. So I didn't even use that much blood. What I have now is some scab blood, which is so much fun to play with. It is not bad for my first time playing with all this crap. I need a different brush. I'm gonna go in with this foundation brush again, and I'm gonna mix between, maybe I should open the lid, this super primary red with this black. Like I'm gonna go back and forth with those two, starting with the red and then deepening it up so that way I don't get a lot of the, we're going for that burnt cookie look. And the dramatic effect I just cannot wait for. Oh, bitch! Now, let's go grocery shopping. So here's a life lesson. If I can do something like this in my first time, it's only gonna get better and better. Oh, this looks so cool, like when I look in the mirror. Now there's a lot more stuff that I can do to make it look better, but yeah, I'm pretty excited. So this is my beginner Cartesian situation, and happy October, happy Halloween, and I look forward to making a lot more crappy. Yeah. Okay, bye. Sorry.